Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you can join me for this another unboxing video that I have for you. As you know how much I love decoupaging. If you can see, I have an IKEA mop at the background which I'm working on. This is actually my fourth mini drawer that I'm working on decoupaging for my customers. Now, my favorite store when it comes to rice paper for decoupaging is, of course, my little attic store of Nanette Samson Madero. Making purchases at her store won't be complete without her giving you something as a freebie, and I love that about Nanette because she's so thoughtful. What she gave me is a set of washi tapes. There you go. Let me just show you. Washi tapes, and of course a personalized note from Nanette for making purchases at her store, for dropping by at the My Little Attic store. And of course it won't be complete without an ulti-new item, which is a dangling light bulb stamp. So cute. Thank you, Nanette. So these are the washi tape deco. So let me just put this aside and show you what I got. This first one is the butterfly rice paper, which I got the first time, from the first set of rice paper that I got from her store. I loved it so much that I ordered 10 more. 10 sheets. Okay, this next one is the hortensia and dragonfly rice paper. Really vibrant colors, right? Lovely. The next one is the Casa Granada flowers rice paper. All of these are from Stamperia. Really nice, no? Love the colors. The next one is the Lady Vagabond lifestyle typewriter. So nice. Look at that. Vintage feels. You know, you can use this not just for decoupaging. You can also use this for your mixed media projects or journals and all that. This one is the La Vian Rose rice paper. Really dainty designs. Look at that. This one is the next one is the Amazonia Parrot. If you remember, I have the paper pad collection of this Amazonia Parrot, and I also have the collectible book. I love the colors of this rice paper. The next one is the Clockwise Cards, another vintage feels rice paper collection. Also, it kind of have that steampunk feels. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm still recovering from being sick. This one is Van Gogh Atelier. If you recognize those famous works of Van Gogh, which are now immortalized in rice paper that you can use for decoupaging and all those crafty projects. This one is the Vagabond Lifestyle Rust Effect. I know a lot of crafters who can do this mixed media style. This one is the Savannah Tree. You know what? I should have gotten more of this because it's so lovely. Really is. Wow. The next one is the Lady Vagabond Lifestyle Metal Plates. Another rustic, vintage, steampunk feels, but I love the colors on this. The next one is the Lady Vagabond Lifestyle Tickets. So nice. So now you see my new acquisition of these rice papers, and if you want any of these, just head on over to My Little Attic store. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and I'll see you on the flip side.